Previously.
Guess what, guys? Muster! All right. So Mr. Brunson done put the post up. Mr. Brunson done put the post up. So the post is down up, y'all.
And I helped, guys. I did these ones.
She said she helped y'all.
I
You don't
did.
believe her?
She did.
Okay. The posts are up. So gotta do the tour.
I got to dump some stuff in there.
So he will be installing the 6x6 posts on tomorrow
I know what these small ones
in
are
these
for.
spots here. But the posts are up around the area. So yeah. So stay tuned. You will see the work in progress.
Punch. Let me turn this way. I'm standing on this rock.
Hey, so Brunson is knocking it
I
out.
got chips.
Y'all. So we just got this finished, this portion of finished along with the gates. But for the most part, he's getting it done.
But we stopped there yesterday. But now the backyard is empty. I just now you can't see nothing else.
All right, he's getting it done. Have a 10-year-old out here acting crazy. He getting his yard cut though. I know that.
Where the milk goes? Look at all this he lives. And look, he walks right next to you too. He needs to get this, mommy. Look. And look at all that in that corner. Mommy. Look at all that in that corner.
Yeah.
And this, and all
I
that.
know what he's doing.
Now in the bag. But he's not driving.